We pretty rarely run sales here at Obsessed Garage, but the one exception to that is Black Friday. Black Friday is the one time of the year you have an opportunity to pick up a lot of the things that we exclusively carry at a much better price. So let's start with detailing. If you're a new detailer or somebody who doesn't have a lot of things built out already, I would highly recommend you check out our solutions and our packages. The two solutions I think you're going to want to check out are the microfiber solution and the bucket solution. Both of those are all inclusive. They have everything you need for microfibers or everything you need for the full bucket package. If you're not ready to bite the bullet on a giant solution, you might want to check out the packages that we've built out for more niche or more specific things in detailing. Examples would be the interior package, the leather package, the wheel and tire package, things like that. Maybe you just want to narrow in on one aspect of detailing. And if you're an existing detailer, it might be time to run through your detailing supplies and replace some of the things that are old. Maybe you get some new towels, replace the old ones you have, or maybe you finally replace those Home Depot buckets with a nice bucket solution. If you already have both of those, maybe you pick up a press-all solution. That way you have a nice uniform look for all of your products. Now let's talk about pressure washing. If you don't already have a pressure washing setup, $500 is a little limiting, at least when it comes to the solutions. I think the two cheapest ones, the VE56 and the Karcher, are just outside of that $500 range. That being said, you can still pick up an individual pressure washer with a couple extra things for under $500. My recommendation would be the Active 2.0 or the Karcher K1700. If you already have a pressure washer, accessory upgrade kits are really cheap and you can pick and choose what you actually need or what you actually want out of it. So I would highly recommend checking out the sprayer wand foam cannon upgrade kit, maybe just a full portable accessory package. The things that are going to make the biggest difference in pressure washing is going to be the hose and the sprayer gun and probably some nozzles. Lastly, let's talk about garage. $500 is still fairly limiting in the garage space. You're not going to do a full overhaul, but you can make a pretty significant difference. The first thing I would recommend checking out is some overhead lighting, especially if you have a smaller garage. That will by far make the biggest difference in your user experience inside of it, having really high quality lighting. The second thing you probably want to check out is some under cabinet lighting. And lastly, you might even want to pick up a Viper chair, which is excellent when it comes to detailing. Those are our recommendations for what you should look for this Black Friday in the $500 bracket. We made two other videos with two different price points, so if you're willing to maybe go up a little bit or you don't want to spend as much money, I would highly recommend checking those out. As always, everything you saw in this video or that we talked about in this video is available on the store at obsessedgarage.com. And if you have any questions, please let us know in the comments or email support@obsessedgarage.com.